Anyway. Here we go. Let's just go. See what we can do.
Dear Marchek, I know we have not seen each other for so long, and you probably don't even remember your old Aunt Helena, all the way from America. But I'm sure you will fall in love with the fresh air and all this Warsaw culture, just like I did when I was young.
Yeah, I think I will.
You must get used to it, because I decided to gift you my Warsaw residence. I know for you this can be a big surprise, but you were always my most beloved nephew.
Who filled stop? Get off.
Nice veneer on the inside of this fucking bus.
You will find it no problem. When you step off the bus, take the first...
Wait, hold on, lady. All the way down.
First road to the left.
Oh, good. What did she say? She said first road to the left. I'm assuming that's over there, but that's right. Is this my house? How do I throw it? G. Is this my house? She's breaking and entering. She said left. I'm just gonna assume that this is my house. Damn. Very different place, huh? Anyway. You know she lied to me, right? She said left. Oh, if I'm standing here. Right.
Or maybe it was the right. Valera, I have not visited this dump in ages. You know what? You better ask Barbara, my very good friend.
Let me guess.
I used to go to her.
The house I fucking went to is my fucking house! And you all doubted me!
Good morning, Miss Barbera.
Moaning? Well, young man, straight to business, are we?
I thought we were
I won't say no.
in Poland.
But aren't I a bit too old for you?
Okay. Hello? Okay, so it stopped responding. I can't do anything. Oh, there we go.
What? No! I said
I was
good
just an
morning,
idiot.
Miss Barbera.
No, I'm Barbara.
Who the fuck was a Barbera? Whatever. Oh, yeah, number one. Yeah, that is it. Oh, ma'am,
Ma'am!
house number...
The house number one.
Ah, you.
She's fine. Oh my God, she's doing time on my...
My.
This is not my fucking house.
No, I told you, go to the right. And to make it easier for you, I am attaching a picture
Whoa, Valera.
of the neighbor's house, mine, across the street.
Right. Thanks, Auntie. Wonder if the whole thing collapses the second I touch the door. Oh man, it's even worse on the inside. Didn't think that was even possible. And it sounds like the place is already occupied.
You, Zach, you know I love you like a brother. But if you don't tell me right now who lifted my bottle yesterday, I'll fuck you up like a teetotaler fucks up a party. Did you get it? Who? I told you already. Like Valenza. I get up in the night, dark as hell, and there he is, bottle in hand.
Oh!
Fuck you! Hilera. Now I'm sinking to their level. Better find a way to smoke these two out of here.
Oh, Kurwa, you hit the vaccine.
That's not how you say kurwa. What the fuck? Kurwa.
Retreat, Kurwa.
The easy part's done. Now I should clean up before this. Fragrance attracts more unwanted guests. I wonder where the trash can is.
Can't even.
Oh, there's trash bags. Even better. There was a dumpster out by the gate, I think. I'll throw this bag in there. Time to check the other rooms. Somehow throwing out the garbage made the place look even more depressing. It's begging for renovation, and it won't be cheap. I need work.
P.S. If you need any kind of job, go to my good friend, Mr. Izbishik. That one is a real craftsman. He could unclog a pipe like nobody else.
I saw a payphone outside. I could use it if I manage to scrape up some
Can I
change around the
skip
house.
this?
This won't pay for a long chat. I hope it's enough.
Fuck is this then? Oh, it's the fucking thing.
Hello?
Good morning. Is this Mr. Zbizek?
Yeah, who's...
Whatever. I'm in his house. Family photo? Oh, it was a railroad. Sorry. Oh.
Come on, Helena. Why you like this? Take this paint and...
I am so entertained.
You really made a mess, kid. Were you painting the wall or the floor, huh?
If you laid some foil first, there would be no mess.
White foil, you are cheaper, boy. Grab a rag and clean this up. I think there's one on the kitchen counter.
Oh, thank God it's still here. Clean up. Happy? Fuck, I'm really happy I didn't go further in. I think I would have ended the game if I did.
Good enough. I was gonna eat on the floor anyway.
Thank you.
I have a special mission for you now. Take these keys, go to my car, and bring one important thing.
Karwa, of course, no wonder.
Karwa.
What took you so long? I hope it's all there. Otherwise, I'll deduct it from your pay.
But you're not paying me yet.
Oh, Mr. Entitled here. Hope you're as eager to work as you are to earn. Come here. I will teach you a little electrical engineering. Do you have permission?
Nope.
No worry, me too. But I have something better A good business head. Anyway, this is not rocket science. There. Now only some insulation tape, and this is good to go.
Jesus, girl! Mr. Zbyszek, are you alive? Yep, that's my job gone in a flash. Still lasted longer than the last one. Kurwa? What?
There. Job done. Time for a reward. The bottle, kid.
What the Kurwa fuck?
The hell? No punch. This water or what?
This may sound pessimistic, but I think you're dead. You got electrocuted bad.
Oh, not good. I don't know how long I could go without booze. But it's not all bad. My back doesn't hurt anymore. And my wife will stop complaining I am drunk all the time. Okay, kid. No need to stress about a little misadventure. Call the owner and tell him job is done, time to pay. Hoy, what a dump! And these stains, I think I know where they're from. Yeah, I did some plumbing for Helena here once. Lucky I took the leftover paint from the client. Cover it up, will you? It hurts my eyes. Now that I like. Condition, good as new. Better even. This paint won't peel off in a year.
The color stands out a little.
What are you, interior decorator? Stop fussing and pick up the place. Right now you're in the red, and you haven't even earned back the paint you have used.
So what now? Fill these holes?
Yes.
I don't think I've said a word in.
Here.
I don't think
Lesson
I've
one.
said
You practice new
anything
skills at
in-
the client's
in
place, and I have just the perfect
10
little
minutes?
job lined up for this. Let's go.
Why am I going to a customer's house?
Oh, there it goes. Note to self, no leaning. Not like your Aunt Helena. She never leaned away from anything, if you know what I mean. Get it, kid? All right, fun's over. Back to work. What do we have here? Ah, yes. Out with the old sofa. Come on, grab it. Wait, kid. You're not hauling that down the stairs. Out the window with it. There. Out of sight, out of mind. Now, fill those holes in the walls and you're done.
But fill them with what? I'm lost.
Kid, must I teach you everything? The plaster is right there. Dip and go. Dip and go.
I did this from my office.
Good. Good enough. Now paint it.
I have to. No, we don't let it set in this house.
Stop fussing with it. That's enough. Let's get going. Kid, aren't you forgetting something?
What? Did I miss a spot?
Dumber than a lesson, dude. Remember what you didn't grab from last job?
Oh, the paint. On it.
Yes! And bring that bucket of plaster too. We need it more than the client does.
Well, finally. It's about.
Oh,
And my up.
Mistake! Oh, kids.
quiet!
If you.
Oh, no, it crashed.